The Mansory company began 2024 with a gift of huge red nostrils to the most powerful Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Introduced in 2022, the Mercedes-AMG S63e Performance became the most powerful production S-Class in the history of the premium sedan. But for the Mansory team, this super hybrid did not seem powerful enough, so the specialists worked on the power plant. However, the main attention was paid to the appearance, and in the traditional way for the company, the exterior turned out to be defiant and challenged the BMW 7 Series with its nostrils. The car is equipped with a 4-liter V8 turbo engine with a capacity of 612 horsepower in combination with a 9-speed AMG SpeedShift MCT 9G automatic transmission and 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive, and an electric motor with a 2-speed transmission and an electronically controlled interwheel differential is installed on the rear axle. After the work of Mansory specialists, the characteristics grow to 880 horsepower and 1,490 Nm. Well, the main thing is traditionally noticeable to the naked eye. The studio has prepared a large-scale program for decorating the body with carbon fiber. The kit includes front and rear bumpers, sills, radiator grille, hood, spoilers, diffuser and rear-view mirror linings. Moreover, in the demonstration car, individual elements are highlighted in scarlet. The massive nostrils of the radiator grille and air intakes on the hood are striking, and small red strokes are scattered throughout the body, including 22-inch black diamond discs. Lexus has introduced a charged crossover with a turbo engine from GR Yaris. The Tokyo Motor Show in January 2024 became the premier venue for the car, which was rumored to have been discussed last fall. The Lexus LBX MORIZO RR concept, a compact LBX crossover with a 1.6-liter G16E GTS engine from the hot GR Yaris hatchback, debuted in the status of a concept car. Even Toyota President Akio Toyoda participated in the project, after whom the prototype of the charged crossover is named. The production prospects of the Lexus LBX MORIZO RR concept have not yet been announced. The new Lexus LBX is built on the GAB modular platform, the closest relative of which is the Toyota Yaris Cross, so installing the 1.6 turbo engine in the crossover did not cause any special difficulties. As a power unit, the company used a 305 horsepower engine from the updated GR Yaris, and in conjunction with a new 8-speed direct shift automatic transmission. Among other improvements, an upgraded suspension, a reinforced body, 19-inch wheels with new tires, as well as an aerodynamic body kit and sports accessories, steering wheel, pedals and seat belts were announced. In honor of Akio Toyoda, who races under the pseudonym MORIZO, the body and interior are decorated with yellow accents with MORIZO RR logos. The Japanese automaker has no technical obstacles in the way of turning the concept car into a limited version of a road-charged crossover.